So we've gotten a lot of questions on how to make the, what is it?
It's chicken.
No. We got a lot of questions on how to make the butternut squash fries. They taste just like sweet potato fries.
No.
It is so good. And so here's a video showing you guys how to make it. Quick video. I just want to kind of get it together, throw it on here for you guys. So you get it done. Okay, what'd you say?
Get on the video.
Oh, okay. Get on the video. All right. What do you say?
Subscribe to our channel.
Hey, so let us know if you're going to try this. I'd love to hear what you think. Make a comment. Let me know if you're going to try this and how it tasted if you do. It's really quick, really easy, and it's in there. And we love it. She likes it. She thinks it's French fries. I'm not going to tell her any different. What are you talking about?
I said yes.
All right, so check out my website. I've got tons of, I've got some great meal plans up there, recipes like this that keto friendly and are delicious and fun for the whole family. Talk to you guys soon. What?
Oh wait, I just said go on to the video.
Okay, go ahead.
Subscribe to our channel. Get on to the video.
Where did you get that from? All right, we'll talk to you guys soon.
Don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to watch my mom's next video.